back with another word of the day. We're doing a twist out tutorial, and get ready to see some crazy hair. It's dry, it's brittle, and we're going close up. Yeah. So what you're gonna do is just wash your hair regularly with shampoo, and then my special technique for conditioner is to take it and lather it into the hair just like you would with shampoo. I also don't use a brush anymore when I'm trying to comb out my tangles. I use my fingers. I find it's easier to sort through without ripping through the hair. When I encounter a giant knot, I just slowly work it apart like a puzzle instead of just ripping the comb through. You can see me detangling here. It takes a little more time, but it's way worth the definition and way worth the lack of frizz. Check out this definition. For this leave-in conditioner, which I take and I separate my hair into two big sections. We're doing big sections, you guys. I add a bit of water and lather it up just like the rinse out conditioner. Once that's coated, we go in with my favorite product, Milk and Honey by Lotta. We're separating the hair into 3 different sections on each side. We're starting with the front. You really want to make sure that this Milk and Honey product is coated in your hair. It's lovely, it doesn't flake, it just absorbs. I have low porosity hair, so this is great for me. It just is almost like not like a wax, but just a very smooth and absorbent material. We're gonna do a French twist, which I don't know if that's an actual thing. It's just what I do. It's like a French braid or like a messy cornrow, but with a twist. So we twist right from the root of the hair, going against the scalp. And I like for my twist outs to look very natural, so I don't do super uniform sections when I twist it. You're gonna take the hair down, smoothing it as you twist. And make sure those ends are twisted all the way for that beautiful curl. Now we're going to take the second half of that area and split it into 2 so that we have 3 twists on each side of the head. Repeating the same steps, lather that conditioner all the way up so it's almost like a foam, and you run it through your hair. Lotta body, love it. Okay, it's my lifesaver. Run it through the hair. I'm gonna be making a lot more tutorials on this page. This is the tiring part. I feel like Rapunzel over here. It just goes and goes and goes. But I guess that means it's growing, so hello length. And now we're doing the back, which I don't really look at my hair. I love that messy look, so I'm just trusting the feel of it. I'm almost done with this side, guys. I'm so excited. And length check. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I'm so excited. Now to get that side out of the way, I just put them into one big twist. Phew, we are finally moving on. We're gonna repeat the same process, and you can tell I'm getting tired, but it's well worth the wait. Here's a close-up of what the front usually looks like. This whole process takes about 30 minutes, I would say, just to make sure you get your hair fully coated and detangled as you're brushing it. Because when you finger detangle, you sometimes encounter a little bit of snags here and there that a comb would get through, but it's worth the length retention. I'm telling you guys, it's worth the length retention to use your hands to detangle. Clipping those first 2 braids out of the way, we're on to the last braid. Yes! Hallelujah! I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. And I had a visitor for emotional support. He came to make sure my arms hadn't fallen off yet. If your hands don't look like this, you're not doing it right. Absolute prunes. It's bonnet time. We all know curly hair takes forever to dry, so one eternity later, boom, results. I love how naturally it moves and it's not stuck together, but you still have that beautiful definition. I get the best hair pictures whenever I use this twist out routine, so make sure you take full advantage of this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys for the next word of the day.